Namaste students, welcome to Vedic Maths lesson number 11. Today we shall see simple subtractions using Vedic Maths. Last few classes we discussed the basics, that is complement numbers, match combination and mismatch combination. To understand subtractions using Vedic Maths, it is very important to know these concepts. If you have not gone through these concepts, go through these concepts which were there in the earlier videos. You can visit them and you can understand. After understanding that videos, then only we can be able to do these simple subtractions. Let us see a simple subtraction here. Say 25 minus 13. This is a simple subtraction we will do. In normal method, we shall do 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. That is, we travel from right to left. But in Vedic Maths, we are going to travel from left to right side. Whether it is additions or subtractions, we will travel from left to right side only. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. This is the answer. But in Vedic Maths, you cannot simply do the subtractions like this. Rather, while doing subtractions, you should be conscious that the next position, for example, if we are doing this position subtraction, we have to have a look at this position, whether it is match combination or mismatch combination. We have to see. If this position is match combination, then this answer can be written as it is. If this position is mismatch combination, then we have to subtract 1 from this answer. How exactly it is to be done? We will understand in the examples. Okay. Now here this is a match combination. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Without doing anything, we have to write it. And 5 minus 3, if it is match combination, simple subtraction only, you know 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, 1 to 12 is the answer. This is what subtraction, this is how subtraction can be done in Vedic mathematics. Let us understand subtraction of some typical complicated numbers where borrow generates. For example, let us take 35 minus 17. Here, as 5 is smaller than 7, we call it as mismatch combination. In such cases, while subtracting this position, that is nothing but 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, but because this is a mismatch combination, you should not write this 2 as 2, rather than it has to be written as 1. 1 has to be subtracted from this answer. Whatever you are getting here, you have to reduce it by 1 and then we have to write it. So I am not writing 2 there, I am writing 1 here. Why? Because this is mismatch combination. And whenever mismatch combination is there, what we have to do is, this is yesterday also I explained you, this is subtrahend and this is minuend. Minuend's complement has to be taken and it is to be added to subtrahend. What is the meaning of that? 7's complement. What is the 7's complement? 3. 3 is to be added to 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So your answer is 18. Isn't it? Let us verify in the same answer using normal maths also. 35 minus 17 we are doing. So I need to take carry, this becomes 2, here it becomes 15, 15 minus 7 is equal to 8, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 18 is the answer. Yes, 18 is the answer. So, let me explain with one more example, last example, so that you can understand very clearly. 53 minus 27, let us do. You can clearly see that this is a mismatch combination. So, here while subtracting, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, but I will not write 3, I will write 2, because this is mismatch combination. What is the complement of 7? 3. What is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 26 is the answer. This is how you will do subtractions using Vedic maths. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you, and be safe at your home. Take care.